Welcome to Puzzle Project Overview. In this short video, we will present the idea of a holistic security as a service framework for safeguarding cloud-based assets of small and medium and micro enterprises. Cybersecurity is a complex and fast-evolving field. Therefore, security professionals and experts working for small, medium, and micro enterprises need constant learning. Malicious online activity can cost enterprises everything. Protecting organizations is the paramount for the Puzzle project. Through state-of-the-art technologies including AI, trusted computing, and blockchain, small businesses will enhance their security and efficiently process information flows and online collaboration knowledge sharing. We help small businesses monitor risks to their digital security, privacy, and data protection by analyzing their hardware and software assets. Puzzle uses AI data processing to deliver insights and threat intelligence reports so that you are always aware of risk levels. Puzzle builds resilience into your system by offering cybersecurity management and orchestration services to prevent danger and mitigate the impact of an attack if it happens. This means that when something goes wrong, we are there for you. What is the core of Puzzle? It is an EU-funded project, a part of the Horizon 2020 program, set to design and implement state-of-the-art cybersecurity, privacy, and data protection management framework. Puzzle is going to provide monitoring and visualization tools, as well as a dashboard where information regarding sets of assets, vulnerabilities, identified threats, and risks is going to be made available to end users. Small, medium, and micro enterprises and beyond must be safe, trusted, and secure. However, they might not have adequate resources to be able to employ the latest trend in security services, nor to be able to monitor all security and attack advancements. Compliance with emerging security regulations on security and privacy protection is critical, but it is also a challenging task. Puzzle can help. Challenges. Long-term security and operational assurance in small businesses is not easy to achieve due to lack of resources. Multiple exploration points for attackers and new opportunities for cybersecurity attacks. Modern architectures built on distributed services provide an even bigger attack surface that is not easy to be protected. Applicability and usability of security services can be challenging. Risk-based classification and regulatory compliance is not widely available. There is a lack of expertise and trained personnel in small organizations. Enter Puzzle. We believe that Puzzle brings solutions to the above-mentioned issues. Puzzle provides a common and uniform security service marketplace. Security as a service APIs in small businesses secure management software, but also monitoring and introspection, distributed firewall, SIEM, etc. Edge-to-cloud interoperability is lacking in today's business ecosystems, and Puzzle provides network security functions for small businesses for delivering cost-effective managed security services. Emergence of service-oriented orchestration paradigms brings about more automation in design, deployment, reconfiguration, as well as optimal security policy deployment during runtime. Puzzle vision. Puzzle envisions to be a reference project and catalyst for establishing trusted service graph chains in small businesses and beyond, addressing security, safety, and various levels of trustworthiness for mixed criticality services. Puzzle aims to implement the transition to zero trust concept with the principle of never trust, always verify, for assuring vertical trust for all assets comprising the target business ecosystem. Puzzle introduces threat intelligence sharing as an important feature that will help organizations be aware of threats even before they become a target. Different levels of threat intelligence will be shared, making sure it is done in a secure, privacy protection, and accountable manner, while entire data is blockchain-based. Through creation of such enhanced threat intelligence market, Puzzle strengthens European digital solutions. Puzzle performs cutting-edge research in security as a service orchestration, vulnerability analysis, and policy management. Increase trust to a network by detecting misbehaviors without impeding performance in a zero-trust paradigm. Multitude of security enablers covering a wide spectrum of attack vectors. Identity risk interdependencies in a service graph chain that can affect the safety of the system. Secure and auditable sharing of operational and attestation data only to authorized and authenticated devices and users, which is useful for certification. Calculation and deployment of network, service and traffic integrity security policies. Security worker agents working in tandem and enhancing usability. How to efficiently monitor and extract knowledge from both network traffic, but also from the execution of assets. Leverage the new technology of eBPFs and XDPs. Security as a service approach, encompassing a wide range of features including security service discovery, service authentication, observability, vulnerability analysis, etc. Puzzle key technologies. Identification and calculation of risk interdependency graph, based on definition of hardware and software assets by the system administrator. Risk assessment is prerequisite for the calculation of optimized set of security policies. Innovation that Puzzle brings to risk assessment comprises considering both security and privacy-related vulnerabilities, as well as attack path calculation. In policy recommendation and management, Puzzle brings calculation of the optimized set of security policies, leverages software and hardware capabilities of the target infrastructure, and promotes security and context awareness. Innovation here comprises convergence of security, safety, and resource, as well as enhancing usability and adoption of latest trends in policy definition. Attack validation component. This component provides virtual representation of the physical devices, processing of real-time system raw traces for attack path identification, and simulation and emulation of various attack vectors. Innovation in this segment comprises device behavioral analysis and mutation fuzzing and concolic testing. In security services, we have detection of both network-based and host-based misbehavior, but also AI-based analytics, attestation of both the correct configuration and execution of target system, as well as different types of security enablers depending on identified risks. Innovation in this segment brings ML-based traffic classification lightweight attestation capabilities and system real-time monitoring through the use of eBPFs. This technology brings orchestration of the deployment of both ML-based analytics and attestation enablers depending on risks, enhanced applicability and usability through the adoption of Kubernetes orchestration, and makes it easy to consider additional security services. Innovation here comprises applicability and usability, Kubernetes-based orchestration, and automatic redeployment of security controls. Threat intelligence information sharing brings blockchain-based threat intelligence information exchange, auditability of all data transactions, and secure information exchange and data sharing. Innovation lies in certification capabilities, privacy preservation, decentralized threat intelligence, and information marketplace. Security Marketplace is a centralized platform for finding additional security services, allowing small businesses to be up to date with latest security services. Services can be added by third parties, and content is moderated by Puzzle Consortium. Innovation is in policy-based marketplace and ease of integration to private Puzzle security orchestration setups. Real-time monitoring and tracing of both network and host-based behavior, which is software-based, but also lightweight enough to operate in constrained environments. Innovation in this segment is in the fact that it does not affect application performance, is non-intrusive, and uses eBPF and XDP. Puzzle Project came up with validation contracts concept. The aim is to provide small businesses who deal with cybersecurity, privacy, and personal data protection a set of tools and solutions of varied sophistication levels to allow them to benefit from the innovative targeted solutions that the Puzzle Marketplace offers, addressing their specific needs and available resources. Through validation contracts, contest open call, the interested parties were invited to present their ideas on how the Puzzle Marketplace could complement the development of a product or service they are already providing to their customers, detailing the puzzle components and services utilized, and to prove the applicability, usability, effectiveness, and value of the puzzle concepts, models, and mechanisms under real-life conditions. Who we are. 2 universities. 3 industries. 4 RTD small and medium enterprises, and 2 micro enterprises as demonstrators. 2 trade association clusters. The Puzzle Consortium contains some of the strongest European players in cybersecurity and brings together multidisciplinary competences and resources from the academia, industry, and research communities, focusing on digital community, multi-dependency cyber-physical risk assessment, edge trust assurance services and remote attestation, distributed processing, programmable networking mechanisms, cybersecurity analytics, deep analysis and distributed machine learning, threat intelligence, and blockchain technologies. Puzzle comprises 13 partners representing research institutes, universities, technology providers, infrastructure providers and users, and industrial partners, including 8 small, medium, and micro enterprises from 8 European Union member states and associated countries.